Imagine standing under your roof during a storm, feeling the water drip through the ceiling. You shake your head, thinking, if only I had picked the right contractor. In this world of home improvement, selecting the ideal roofing contractor is critical. Why? Because each shingle, every nail, and even the smallest leak can significantly affect your home's safety and value. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Let's explore how crafting compelling roofing project case studies can not only highlight expertise, but also build trust with potential clients. Number 1. Focus on relatability. Picture yourself in the shoes of a homeowner or business dealing with leaks or storm damage. By addressing these common issues in your case studies, potential clients will see their problems reflected and understand how your expertise can solve them. Use storytelling to create narratives that capture interest and make information memorable. Number 2. Highlight the outcome. Begin each case study with a powerful outcome statement. Grab attention with specific metrics or statistics that showcase your success, like improved energy efficiency or cost savings. Don't forget to include challenges faced along the way for authenticity. Number 3. Explain the solution. Dive into the details of how you tackled the client's problem. Clearly outline the steps taken and reasoning behind your decisions. This transparency builds trust and demonstrates your expertise. Number 4. Include key facts and visuals. Integrate engaging facts, statistics, and high-quality visuals to enhance understanding. Before and after photos, infographics, or time-lapse videos help convey complex concepts effectively. Number 5. Leverage testimonials and referrals. Satisfied client testimonials validate your work and build trust. Highlight aspects like communication, timeliness, or material quality clients appreciated. Consider a referral program to encourage word-of-mouth marketing and strengthen customer relationships. Number 6. Emphasize local SEO. Improve visibility by incorporating local SEO practices in your case studies. Use location-based keywords and consider including maps or local landmarks to make content more relatable. Number 7. Present information clearly. Structure case studies with clear headings and bullet points to enhance readability. Break down complex information into digestible chunks so readers can find what they need quickly without feeling overwhelmed. As you can see, relatability is crucial in case studies because it bridges the gap between potential clients and the solutions you offer. When they recognize their struggles in your narratives, they're more likely to remember you when they need help. For those eager to find trusted contractors for their roofing projects, BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to platform. We connect homeowners with vetted contractors who boast proven track records in the roofing industry. So when you choose a contractor from our site, you're hiring someone with expertise and reliability, ensuring peace of mind during those rainy days.